Lily, and I will be unboxing this box I got from Between the Bookends, if I said it right. So, I'm going to be opening it up, and it smells like bath soap. Okay, so be careful with these scissors. Okay, now I should be able to open it up. I have big claws. Yeah. Ooh. Let's see here. This is I don't know, but it's really cute. It's like a little puppy dog, see? Oh! It says a big soda pop, it's soda pop. Oh, I just now got that. It's a soft little lip balm. So cute. It's also like one of my favorite animals. He's so cute. Let's see here. And there's like a little, whatchamacallit, a bookmark. A bookmark. I got it right. And then we have that. And then a bracelet. This is so cool. That is awesome. It's handmade. Handmade. Take notes, people. That's cool. It's like a little piece of soap. Wow. This is so cool. Okay, good. You know, okay, so I have one of these that's golden and it broke and I needed a new unicorn pin. So, take notes. What else? Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. Let's see here. What? I can't even read it. Oh. Ooh, you put this on the shower floor and it makes like a delicious scent. I always say delicious when something smells good. It does smell good. Let's see here. Ooh. Little like school things. Like these are like good for pencils. Yeah, these are like these little pencil holder things. If I had a pencil, I would demonstrate it, but I don't have the pencil, so I can't demonstrate it. Yeah. What else is there? I'm gonna open up this. Scrunchies! I love scrunchies. Why do I sound like I do? I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on actually right now. This is really, the scrunchies are really cool in color thingamajigs. This is cute. What else? Rock candy soap. They make it in a soap? No one told me that. Let's see. Highlighter. Is that really? Is it really? It's a highlighter. Guys, it's a highlighter. Oh my gosh, it's another highlighter. No way. I've never seen highlighters in my entire life. Oh my gosh. Insane. Books. Here's a book. Good, because I'm running out of books to read. Yeah, I'm really good at reading books, you know. I can finish a book in a day because I don't wait to read a book. Ooh, this one's cover feels nice. This is cute. These are really cool. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. It's like a little thingamajig. Also with the books, Between the Bookends is also featuring some really cool items from other small shops like these. I'm just like touching around that stuff. Plus this really cool box that they give you. The box is free. You just have to pay for everything inside of it. Thank you, Between the Bookends, for these really cool books and these awesome items. Also, for everyone else, you get 15% off your first purchase for these if you use my code Lillie15. Lillie and then the number 15 in number form. Thank you all for watching. And now I kind of, read a book if you don't mind. Yeah.